Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all good. In this video, I will talk about Python, which is a language. To know Python, first of all, we should have a general knowledge about statistical inferences. And it is the process of using data analysis to reduce properties of an underlying distribution of probability. Inferential statistical analysis infers properties of a population, for example, by testing hypotheses and deriving estimates. Following are the topics which are discussed in this video. And now we are starting to discuss Python. History of Python. Invented in Netherlands, early 90s by Guido van Rossum. Python was conceived in the last 1980s and its implementation was started in December 1989. Guido van Rossum is a fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus. This is a famous TV show in Netherlands. Named after Monty Python, open sourced from the beginning. Python Benevolent Dictator for Life. Python is an experiment in how much freedom programmers need. Too much freedom and nobody can read an other's code. Too little and expressiveness in endangered. And now what is Python? Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python's simple, easy to learn, scientific emphasis, readability, and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages, which encourages program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source or binary form without charge for all major platforms and can be freely distributed. Differentiation between programming and scripting language. What is programming languages? Programming languages are the languages that need a compiler for convert their code into native machine code. Programming languages run faster compare than scripting languages. Also, programming languages can access low-level hardware details. Examples: Java, Kotlin, C++, and Scala. Scripting languages. Scripting languages don't require to be compiled, rather they are interpreted. Means scripting languages used an interpreter to convert their codes into native machine code. And following are the examples: JavaScript, Lua, Perl, Python, and PHP. Scope of Python. In science, bioinformatics, system and administration, unit, web logics, web application development, CGL, Python servlets, testing scripts. The following primary factors cited by Python users seems to be these. Why do people use Python? Python is object-oriented. Structure supports such concepts as polymorphism, operating and overloading, and multiple inheritance. Number 2, it's free and open source. Downloading and installing Python is free and easy source code is easily accessible. It's powerful. Dynamic typing, built-in types and tools, library utilities, third-party utilities, automatic memory management. and it's portable. Python runs virtually every major platform used today, as long as you have a compatible Python interpreter installed in your computer. Python program will run in exactly the same manner irrespective of the platform. What can I do with Python? System programming, graphical user interface programming, internet scripting, components integration, database programming, gaming, images, XML, robot, and many more. Who uses Python today? Python is being applied in real venue, generating products by real companies. For instance, Google makes extensive use of Python in its web search system and employs Python creator. Intel, Cisco, Hewlett-Packard, Seagate, Qualcomm, and IBM use Python for hardware testing. Esri uses Python as an end-user customization tool for its popular GIS mapping products. The YouTube video sharing service largely written in Python. The end. If you like this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.